Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. So we've got this patient that's come through to us. Now this particular patient has been back and forth to the doctors with repeated infections. Now this particular patient has been prescribed some antibiotic spray for the ears, but it hasn't really been kind of doing its job. As you can see here, what we've got is this very, very deep, thick, dead skin that's just kind of blocking the eardrum. Now, as you can imagine, when the patient's using the spray, it's not getting down to where it needs to go. So we've got the standard size tube here, and you can already see straight away we've managed to take quite a large piece of this dead skin away. We're going to take a look behind, so you can kind of see right on the edges that white, sort of the whitish colour you can see, and that is the thick dead skin that's kind of holding this in place. So we're sticking with the standard size tube here just to get a better grip. I know we're quite deep into the ear. The fine end is not really going to give us a great grip. Like what's happening now, we want to try and remove as much of this in one go as we can. That's all that white debris you can see there at the bottom, where all that infected kind of dead skin has been laying for possibly quite a while. There's that plug removed. Right, so you can already see we've managed to actually get a view of the eardrum here, but we've still got this kind of outer casing left. Do we stick with the standard tube? Oh, we've actually swapped to the fine end for this one. So this is where we're just going to clean up now with this last little bit. So very gently, I'm kind of hoping this is all going to come away in one go. Otherwise, if it's connected, we're going to have to work really, really slow to get this out. So we've removed that little piece there. Yeah, we're almost there, so you can just kind of see, right? Good look at the eardrum there. Now, oh, excuse me, guys, my voice is quite cracking up. What we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to try and clean up a little bit. What I have actually done with this patient as well is I've actually referred them back to the doctor just to be on the safe side, really. We can see there's some slight irritation left there, but just more of a follow-up for the doctor, just so they can keep an eye on things and make sure that no more drops need to be used. So you can see we're very, very gently trying to remove these last little bits of skin, still holding on. Okay, those tiny little bits that are left there, as I said, usually a little bit of olive oil, soften those up, they'll loosen off and come away in the shower. So just under an inch there, guys, 2 centimeters. And that's it from me for this video. So I shall see you on the next one. And don't forget to, again, as usual, guys, keep liking the page, and we shall see you on the next one. Thank you.